What up, guys? This is Charvel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to order card from GCash. Now, um, an ATM card, a Visa card, Mastercard, GCash also has their version of it. Now, to get the GCash card, all you have to do is to open the application and then type in your information, your passcode here. And after doing so, all you have to do now is to click click on cards. That's all you have to do. Now on this page, you will be prompted to fill in some information. Now hit order a card, then click on send me a card. Hit on next, and then fill in some information in here. Now let's try to fill in some information. Say this one. Now put in some random number here. And then on your address, let's just guess everything here. Randomize everything. Put a random house number and street. And check all the details and confirm. Now guys, this is just for tutorial purposes. I'm not going to submit this one. Yes, I'm going to confirm this, but um, the order will not went through because the order will not go through because we don't have sufficient balance. Now guys, just make sure that you put in the right information in there, and that is how you order a GCash card. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.